Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is from International News Report. Hi, my name is Mayball. Welcome to our new International Race Event Tournament 2021. We are glad to announce our new race event. Thanks to all our Diecast friends joining our first race international event tournament. Let's cheer up these all Diecast racers team coming from USA, New Zealand, Australia, Canada, Philippines, Egypt, Indonesia, India. Spectators, don't forget to subscribe our great race channel. Give some love to these Zelda Diecast race channel. Thank you so much. Let's start the race show, shall we? Let's give applause to these all racers. All team racers, are you ready? Spectators, are you ready? Let's start the race show. Let's meet our final fourth round team racers challenge. Number 13 Nastalgia Diecast Racing vs number 20 Honest JohnToys, number 14 Norm and Vern Diecast Racing vs number 19 Cotton Fields Customs, number 15 Disfunction Junction Racing vs number 18 Enzed Racing, number 16 Tampa Hotwheels Diecast vs number 17 Mad Max Racing. Good luck team racers. Great audience, please give applause and cheers to our final fourth round team racers who will be advanced to quarter final bracket. Let's begin the race.
Hi guys, good morning. What's up guys? Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to announce our new 2021 International Race Event Tournament. We come back to our new race event, which is Run 4, finally guys. Let's see who will eventually move to the next bracket for our quarter final race later on. These 14 racers will be the last team in Run 4 before moving to quarter final bracket. Are you guys ready to see the result? Who will be advanced into next bracket? Let's see for today winners. Let's start the race. Here's our track for the race.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? It's showtime.
Okay guys, now let's meet our fourth round team racers challenge. From the left side, team number 13, Nastalgia Diecast Racing. From the stage drive, Ratical Racer. And right side, our friend team number 20 from JohnToys. From the stage drive, Porsche 918 Spyder. Let's start the race. Let's see who's gonna win for these two teams. Inside lane, Nastalgia Diecast Racing. Outside lane from JohnToys. Are you guys ready? Round 1. Get set, go! Oh, it's so close, who's gonna win for this round 1? Oh, looks like Nastalgia Diecast Racing win. Okay, now we are switching lane. Inside lane from JohnToys. Outside lane from Nastalgia Diecast Racing. Are you guys ready? Round 2. Get set, go! Oh, who's gonna win it? Oh, finally, JohnToys win for the second round. Now we are switching lane. Inside lane from Nastalgia, Diecast Racing. Outside lane from JohnToys. Are you ready? This will be the final round. Let's see who's gonna win it. Round 3. Get set, go! She's gonna win it. Oh, finally, looks like Nastalgia Diecast Racing win for the third round. Okay guys, now let's meet our second team. Team number 14 from the left side. From team number 14, Nom and Vern Diecast Racing from the States. Drive Formula Gen E versus our fine team number 19, Cutton Customs, drive Cadillac Mirage from the States. Let's see who's gonna win for these two teams. Let's start the race. Inside lane, Nom and Vern Diecast Racing. Outside lane, Cutton Customs. Are you guys ready? Round 1. Get set, go! Let's see who's gonna win it. Oh, so close, gonna win. Oh, number 1 Racing finally win. Okay, now we are switching lane. Inside lane from Cutton Customs. Outside lane from Nom and Vern Diecast Racing. Are you ready for the round 2? Round 2. Get set, go! Oh, finally, Nom and Vern Diecast Racing win. Oh my gosh, what happened to our friends? Cutton Custom, he just flipped around. I'm sorry for that, man. Okay guys, now let's meet our third team. Team number 15 from the left side. Disfunction Junction Racing from drive Stocker 2. Versus right side, our fine team number 18, Enzed Racing from New Zealand, drive Governor. Let's start the race. Let's see who's gonna win for these two teams. Inside lane from Disfunction Junction Racing. Outside lane from Enzed Racing. Let's see who's gonna win for the first round. Round 1. Get set, go! Gonna win. Oh, finally, our friend Disfunction Junction Racing win for the first round. Okay, now we are switching lane. Inside lane from Enzed Racing, outside lane from Disfunction Junction Racing. Are you ready for the second round? Round 2. Get set, go! Oh, he's gonna win it. It's so close. Oh, finally, our friend from Disfunction Junction Racing win. Okay guys, now let's meet our final team for this round 1 event. From the left side, team number 16 from Tampa, Hotwheels, Diecast from the States, drive 10 Chevy Impala. Versus our friend from the right side, team number 17 from Matic Racing, United States, drive Buble Matic. Let's see who's gonna win for this final round 1. Let's start the race. Inside lane from our friend Tampa Hotwheels Racing, outside lane from Matic Racing. Are you guys ready? Round 1. Let's see who's gonna win it for this first round. Either Tampa Hotwheels Diecast or Matic Racing. Are you guys ready? Get set, go! Oh, let's see who's gonna win it. Oh, finally for the round 1, it's Tampa Hotwheels Diecast take the lead. Okay, now we are switching lane. Inside lane from Matic Racing. Outside lane from Tampa Hotwheels Diecast. Are you guys ready for second round? Round 2. Get set, go. Yes, he's gonna win for the second round. Oh, who's gonna win it? Oh, finally our friend from Max Racing win. Our friend Tampa Hotwheels Diecast just stuck in the course line. Okay, now we are switching lane for the third round, for the final round. Hopefully it will be the final round. From inside lane, Tampa Hotwheels Diecast. Outside lane from Max Racing. Are you guys ready? Round 3, final round. Get set, go! She's gonna win it, guys. Oh, finally our friend from Tampa Hotwheels Diecast win. Okay, guys. This is the result for 4 teams who win in our final 4th round in our international race event. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for all Diecast friends and all audience who have been joining us and have been supporting our race channel. I see you guys in quarterfinals. You guys are really great friends. Thanks, guys. See you guys.
Congratulations to all team winners to advance quarterfinal. Audience, let's give applause to our team winners. Number 1 Nighthawk Diecast Racing, Number 2 Metal Mania 3D, Number 3 Zelda Diecast Racing, Number 4 Ladylike Racing, Number 5 Gangoyo, Number 6 HFA Motor Club, Number 7 Toon Tracks Racing, Number 8 Team Miniature Racing, Number 9 Rick's Diecast Racing, Number 10 Extreme Diecast Racing, Number 22 Scale Racing Channel, Number 12 The Diamond Racers, Number 13 Nastalgia Diecast Racing, Number 14 Norm and Vern Diecast Racing, Number 15 Disfunction Junction Racing, Number 16 Tampa Hotwheels Diecast. Let's have fun and party, guys, for all team winners. Thanks for watching, our lovely audience. See you guys in quarterfinals. Good luck.